welcome to another vlog. Yeah, so guys, listen, basically my name is Heyyy for the people that don't know, and for the people that do know, what's up, bitches? Hey, okay, basically, as you see as the title, right, a bitch got ghosted.
Hold up, wait a minute.
Yeah, and I've been the whole freaking week, right? I went back home from school and I was like, listen, I don't know why the hell I got ghosted, and I felt like, listen, I've been so focused on school, sort of, kind of not, but I've been really focused on school, and I just been like really down at the fact that he ghosted me. Like, you know what I mean? I literally got ghosted. I don't get ghosted, I just get told like I don't like you, or you're not my type, or you act like a little kid. So I was like, in my head, I got told I got told like ghosted. So I didn't get told nothing. So I was like, hey, what about we have a little glow up video? So that's what I did. Which one? Everybody hate you, bitches call the fans though. In love with the money, I ain't never let go.
But that one is weak, so don't rock it.
It's weak? Oh, you gotta get new furniture. Huh? Why is it so broken?
I got nothing to lose, it's just me against the world. Ain't no stopping me, constantly moving while making millions, witnessing killings, leaving dead bodies in the abandoned buildings. Carries the children cause they're illin', addicted to killing, and the appeal from the cap villain. Without feeling, but will they last or be blasted? Hard-headed bastard, maybe you're listening in this casket, the aftermath. More bodies being buried, I'm losing my homies in a hurry. They reload.
Pour this in there?
10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down. Touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you, so I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have this place on earth, and I'll take you there. I'll take you, show you something, give you more than words. We can have this place on earth, and I'll take you there. I'll take you.
Yeah, I'm vlogging. Alright, here. Letters here. You can read it? The other one.
We having our way in 3 ways. Romeo scope on the track. We having our way.
Okay. have a caddy. Ooh. Bye.
Tryna squeeze into my true religion,
Hi. Why I look like one of those moms? Like, I definitely do look like a mom. Hold on, let me put this here. I mean, first off, let me call my mom because I miss my mom. Oh my god, now I look good. What the hell happened? Anyway, where can I put you guys at? I can put you guys here. So basically, I'm here. I haven't parked. I don't park over here. So my school has like a big parking lot where I normally put my that's the wax place I gotta go to. And I want to order something off of here, but later. Put the Chick-fil-A sauce. I stock Chick-fil-A sauce. I don't give a fuck. Instead of me buying some, I put that on my French fries and I go to Mickey D's. Like, I have a lot of like and shit. Like, is this good? This is perfect. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is perfect. Let me first call my mom. So I'm going back to Walmart. My mom always think I'm into some shit. So like basically today, now I can give you the full rundown because I was literally, hold on. My mom probably not gonna answer though because I was on the phone with her all morning. So basically, hey mommy. All right, so I'm vlogging. So basically, my mom told me to go to Walmart today and go buy my own stuff because a lot of people in college, one thing, a tip for you, like tips about like, can you see me? Tips about college, you have roommates. Unless you've been there for like freaking 4 years and this is your last semester, the last year, then they might give you your own room. But like that barely happens. Next year, I'm gonna apply for my own room because I want my own stuff. Like, you know what I mean? I'm just that kid and I grew up with my, listen, my mom, in my house, right? You can't, mom, put your mute yourself because you're kind of loud. In my house, you grew up like, listen, saying like, hey, we're supposed to share. But my little sister, Brianna Moore, she was always, what? What's so funny? What's so funny? My little sister, she'll fight you. If you touch her shoes, you get thrown out. I got thrown out at least 4 times because of that. For touching her stuff. But if that was me, on the opposite hand, they'll curse me out and throw my shit out the house. And they did that before. Anyway, so I'm on my way to Walmart first. I have to go get bleach, Bounty. I have to get half of that shit. I have to get that. I have to go get some cleaning supplies. I want to get some stuff for this car. I want to get like, I want to clean the inside of this car because this car is stinky. It's stinky. It's stinky. Ooh, they coming. Oh my god. So yeah. Okay. Oh, good. I did that. Hey, hold on. Fuck that. Alright. Wait, no, don't fall. Wait, hold the fuck up. We gotta fix that. One second. Don't fall, bitch. Not fall. Wait, why is this shit falling, bro? Shit, fuck. Let me fix this. I did not do it. One thing I gotta get is a fucking tripod. Like, on some real, I gotta get a tripod. Like, because, like, Why? First off, I gotta fix the aperture. Like, why is this thing dark? Hold on. You can't even see me. Hold on. When I record, is it dark? Is it gonna stay dark? It's gonna stay dark when I record now? Okay, is it dark? No, why is it so fucking dark? Like, what the fuck? So when I come up, okay, better, fine, perfect. Lally. All right, so first thing is first. We're in Walmart. So when I remember, first let me go get the bleach and stuff because I will forget that. So I have to get, basically, I have to get like bleach, soap powder because I'm washing clothes today. And like, I gotta wash my rags. Make sure you're washing your sheets, guys, because when you don't wash your sheets, you get bumps on your face. Like, look, I haven't been washing my sheets because my mom always washed my sheets. I get bumps right here. I'm gonna like post a picture and send it to you because I started getting bumps on my face. Like, what? Well, that's pretty. That's cute. Like, you guys can't see it. Hold on. So first, let me go get what I need. Oh, sorry, spending money that I don't need. When you go to Walmart, you spend money that you don't need. Like, is that just me? Like, I literally spend mad money that I don't need. Let me not say mad, because my mom hear me saying mad, she won't get mad. She'll be like, that's not proper English. Shut up. Anyway. I'm stupid. Hold up. Okay, first off, let me go down the bleach and stuff like that. Let me start getting the stuff I need. Hold on. First, down the ice. There's bleach. I got that last time. Wait, why the shit won't come out? Hold on. What the fuck? Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Why is this broke? This shit is broke, but it smells good though. I don't want this. I don't want broke shit. I want new shit. Oh, that's why it's broke. Cause I get the fuck out of here, bro. I want that though. That thing smells good. I'm not gonna lie though. Wait, how does shit work? You open it, okay, and you spray it. But oh, it doesn't have like a spray thing. Oh, I don't want that. Come on, I'm not gonna lie. Hold on, let me say it here. I gotta take a shit so fucking bad, bro. I need some cleaning products. Hold on, is this the cleaning? No, this is not cleaning out. Let me go down this way. I got the bleach. Use this shit though. Oh shit, what the fuck? Ow. I can get these.
last time.